In this video I will show you how to replace the side view mirrors on 2008 to 2012 Ford Escape. Step number 1. Park the vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Open the front door on the side of the mirror to be replaced, remove the triangular trim piece from the upper corner using a trim removal tool. Insert the tip of the tool under the edge of the trim and pry it outward to release it. 3. Remove the small cover located behind the door handle using a small hook or flathead screwdriver, insert the tip of the tool under the top edge and pry it outward to release it. 4. Next, remove the screw using a Torx number 30 screwdriver or socket. 5. Remove the screw securing the door panel located on the lower inner side using a Phillips screwdriver. 6. Once the screw has been removed, partially release the door panel from the inside of the door frame using the trim remover. Insert the tip of the tool along the edge and pry it outward to release it. This will give you better access to the screws securing the mirror located in the upper corner. 7. Disconnect the electrical wires by pressing inward on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling it back to release it completely. 8. Next, loosen the 3 screws holding the mirror in place using a ratchet and a 10 mm socket or wrench. 9. Hold the mirror with one hand to prevent it from falling and accidentally damaging the door paint and remove the screws completely with the other. 10. Once the screws have been removed, proceed to remove the damaged mirror completely by pulling it straight out with your hands. 11. Install the new mirror in its original position, ensuring it is properly seated. 12. Install the mirror retaining screws ensuring they are tightened securely, connect the electrical wires to their original positions ensuring the connector is properly seated. Reinstall the door panel in its original position pressing it inwards with your hands to ensure it is properly seated. 13. Install the screws that hold the door panel in place ensuring they are tightened firmly, install the handle cover and triangular door molding in their original positions ensuring they sit correctly. That's how simple it is to replace the side view mirror on 2008 to 2012 Ford Escape Sport utility vehicles.